Introducing the 2018 Nissan Leaf 40k EV SV Premium in stunning red with electric fuel type and automatic transmission. This MPV boasts luxurious features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting for a comfortable ride. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision alert systems. Plus, enjoy convenience with remote audio controls, voice control, and a 360-view camera. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing, this Leaf is ready for the road. Visit randallsbros.com or call us today to learn more about this top-of-the-line electric vehicle.